My name is Maia. I'm a mother and athlete. This is a story of how I got my life back at HSS. When I had my first child, I displaced my hip. I knew I needed hip replacement surgery, but I was scared and delayed it for years. It was getting more unbearable. I couldn't sleep. My character changed, and the worst thing was I couldn't play with my kids. I could imagine that it can break my family apart. I chose HSS because they're the best in the world. The doctor, she helped me realize that I didn't need to live with the pain. After surgery, I feel like I'm back in my body, in my comfort zone. I feel I have no limits. Going to HSS was the best choice I've ever made.